大家好，我是拉各斯大学库兹学院的英语老师，也可以叫我 Chijoke 老师。Hello everyone, I'm Chijoke 老师 from Confucius Institute, University of Lagos. I'm happy to announce to all that we are starting 900 sentence challenge in Chinese language. And please, if you really want to join us on this challenge, get your notes and your pen. So whenever we drop a video, you write it down and learn how to say them. So I'm just giving you 2 to 3 months. Within 2 to 3 months, I'm going to know 900 sentences in Chinese language. Okay, let's go. So today we are going to learn the first. I'm going to introduce to us to some of the topics we are going to be learning and the first 5 sentences. Don't forget, we'll be posting this on our TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube pages every Mondays and Fridays in the morning. Okay, let's go for the first 5 sentences. First of all, some of the topics we'll be meeting is the first one is greeting people, which is da zhao hu. So we'll be going like greeting people, how to greet people, different way of greeting people in Chinese, expressing gratitude, visiting friends, saying goodbye, asking for help, making appointments, making a phone call, talking about other people, talking about moods, talking about work, talking about hobbies, and so on. So please don't forget. Okay, so the first sentence we're going to learn today under the da zhao hu. The first sentence today is ni hao. Ni hao. What's the meaning of ni? Sorry for that. What's the meaning of ni? Ni means you in singular, while hao means good, well, or fine. So ni hao, actually the literal meaning is you good. You good. So which is the correct English, hello. Hello. Okay, so the second sentence is what? Ni hao ma. Ni hao ma. Ni hao ma means what? How are you? Remember, the meaning of ni is what? You, Y-O-U. How means what? Good, fine, or well. While ma is a question particle. So ni hao ma is the man that make it a question. Ni hao ma, just like you good, that is how are you. You good, how are you? Then the third sentence for today is how jiu bu jian. How jiu bu jian. How jiu bu jian. How jiu bu jian, which means long time no see. How is good, while jiu is long time, that is long time. Bu jian, not see. Not see. So how jiu bu jian is long time no see. Haven't seen you for a long time. Then the fourth sentence is Zui jin zameyang. Zui jin zameyang. How are you recently, or how things with you recently? And the fifth one for today, the fifth one is 工作忙不忙? 工作忙不忙? 工作忙不忙 means what? Are you busy at work? Are you busy at work? Okay, that will be the first 5 sentences we'll be learning under this 900 Chinese sentence challenge. Okay, see you for the next time. 再见.